Need to install your Epson printer driver? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install the correct driver and get your Epson printer ready to use.
First, find your exact Epson printer model. You'll usually see the model number on the front of the printer or on a label near the back or bottom. Next, open Epson's official support website and search for your exact printer model. Once you're on your printer's support page, go to the Downloads or Drivers section. Choose your operating system and version if Epson asks you to select one. Look for the recommended printer driver or printer software package, then click Download. Save the installer somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder.
Now open the downloaded installer.
Follow the on-screen instructions, accept the license agreement, and continue through the installation steps. Keep your printer powered on. When prompted, choose your connection method. You can usually connect through USB or configure the printer over Wi-Fi.
Finally, print a test page to confirm everything is working. And that's it. Your Epson printer driver is installed and ready to go.
Choose your operating system and version if Epson asks you to select one.